Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. On the basis of the following data, estimate the value of national income, which is an NBFC. And we've been given information in such a way, we know that we have to calculate using the expenditure method. Okay, expenditure method. And we know that GDP MP under the expenditure method. And the reason why I'm saying G is because we have gross residential construction investment, we have gross public investment, okay, and inventory investments doesn't really matter, but because we've got gross in the other two, we will have gross investment, and therefore GDP MP is equal to consumption expenditure plus gross investment plus government expenditure plus X minus M. Okay, and we have now moved from GDP MP to NNPFC. And the way we're able to do that is if we take GDP MP to convert gross to net, we have to subtract depreciation. Okay, we have to subtract depreciation. And depreciation in this question is given to us. Let us see. Directly it isn't given, but whenever they say consumption of fixed capital, they mean depreciation. Understand that this is depreciation. Now, to move from domestic to national, we have to add net factor income from abroad, which is here. We have to add, but it's a negative number. That doesn't matter. Plus minus gives us minus. So plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. Do we have net indirect taxes given to us? Yes, we do. Okay, so writing the formula down once like this will help us decide what to plus and minus from these serial numbers. Okay, and investment also is not given to us directly. Remember, gross investment. Okay, I'm writing it like this: gross investment IG is equal to wherever you see investments component. So gross business fixed capital formation, gross business fixed capital formation. I'm using short forms, but understand. Okay, plus gross residential construction investment. Okay, plus uh, inventory, plus inventory investment. Okay, inventory investments. Okay, and gross public investments. Okay, so as far as a gross calculation is concerned, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, because we should add systematically. All right, so NNP at FC would be equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C is consumption expenditure. We have it here. So I can write 1 plus investment expenditure. We have already marked all the IGs. So 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay. Then we have government, which is here, which is 4. And X minus M, okay, we have excess of imports over exports. And because it's excess of imports over exports instead of exports over imports, okay, I have to take this number as negative. Okay, I have to take this number as negative. Okay, so I'm done dealing with this. I'm done dealing with this. All right, next, okay, we have government. Okay, we have to include government, which is 4, already done. Okay, let's see. Next, we have depreciation, NFIA, NIT. depreciation must be subtracted. Consumption of fixed capital is depreciation. 40, which is 10, I'm writing subtraction. NFIA is a negative number, but I'm going to show it as plus 9. When we substitute, we'll show it as a negative number. Net indirect taxes is 8, also to be subtracted. Okay, NIT is subtracted. NFIA is added. NIT and depreciation, both of them are subtracted. Okay, now I'm in a position to substitute. Okay, and we have 1, which is 800, plus 2, which is 150, plus 3, which is 120, plus 6, plus 6, which is 50, plus 7, which is 130, plus 4, okay, government expenditure 270, minus excess of imports over exports, which is 20. Then we subtract depreciation 40, we put minus 25 corresponding to 9. Okay, because it is minus over here, plus minus gives us minus. Okay, so minus 25 and minus NIT, which is 20. Okay, now what we have left to do is simply finish the math. We'll add all the additions, add all the subtractions, and then we'll figure it out. Okay, so 800 plus 150 is 950. Okay, so this much is 950 plus 50 will give me 1,000. Okay, 1,000, 120, 1,000, 250, 1,000, 520, 1,520. Let me write down. Then minus 20 minus 40 is minus 60, minus 85, minus 100. Okay, and this is going to give me 1,415 crores. And that is your answer. Okay, obviously an economy is not so small that it will be only 1,415 crores, but remember, it's a hypothetical economy. Okay, any doubts? Feel free to ask.